Hey, Cody, how's it going?
Good. How you doing, Nick?
Well, I'm doing peachy, thank you. Hi everyone else. Just to set the context for you, we are Cody and Nick, and we are building PureBlazor, which is a .NET cloud native CMS for modern apps. And Cody here is actually the builder, the main creator of the PureBlazor brainchild. And Cody, please tell us, how did you come up with the idea?
I've actually kind of been circling this problem area for a couple of years now. I'm very entrepreneurial, so I
Yeah.
always try to create sites and product ideas. Most of them not successful, but along the way, I found there's all these tools in JavaScript. So okay, I'm just going to use JavaScript. And then I start using JavaScript. I'm like, I really wish I could use .NET. So I go back to .NET. And I'm like, oh, I've got to create all this stuff. I've got to create like Auth and like layout stuff and templating. And I just want to create some static pages. I got to do all this stuff, So it's been things the last few years that I've actually tinkered around with. And it just kind of came to a culmination in the last couple of months. Like, hey, I think this is the need here because I'm going to use this. I have several sites I run or, are starting up. And I'm like, hey, I'm going to build this for myself because I think this is really cool. I like Blazor. I think there's a lot of potential there, a lot of future.
No, you're absolutely right. I mean, you and I are both entrepreneurial folks. We met each other in early 2023. We left our full-time jobs, right? For full-time paying jobs, maybe foolishly so. And
Yes, maybe.
met up via YC, Y Combinator, and started working together. And then you're like, hey, Nick, look, I'm going to build this for me one way or the other. I don't care. And I think other people have the same pain point. And then we're off to the races. And we put up this site, pureblazor.com, with a subscribe button on it. And then what happened? Tell us what happened.
I was working on this and I was like, I'm going to put up a website for this and just post it to Twitter. Might as well. I spent maybe an hour messing around with it and just pushed it, testing out .NET 8 and some of the latest features. And people interested, I'm not the only one who kind of wants to do something new and change things up a little bit.
Exactly, and to your point, we've had a lot of folks come out of the woodwork, and we've talked to a lot of them. We kind of reach out one on one, and we thank them for the interest. And surprisingly, or maybe not so much, they respond, and we have these calls, and we talk to them a lot. And I think both you and I are kind of staying as humble as we can, and listen to the community, and kind of want to build something that not just you and I want, but they would be useful as well. And along those lines, we published our public roadmap in the spirit of building in public, and we're sharing that with everyone. So what about the roadmap, Cody? What can you tell us about that?
Yeah. So, and just to make a comment on what you just said, absolutely, we want to build stuff that developers want as well. A lot of the ideas that I've had over the past couple of years have been like, this will be a really cool dev tool. Because I've built software for, I don't know, a long time now. And I'm like, yeah, and just building tooling for developers has just been a dream of mine for several years now. So it's cool that we're kind of getting to a point where people are like, hey, yeah, we could use something like this. I would tell anyone who's watching this, check out these things we're working on now, up next. If you want things to be built, if you're really interested in it, put a thumbs up on it or give us your feedback. If you're like, hey, this is cool, but I could use this here. Just tell us, let us know. We're all ears. We're here to listen.
Absolutely. We're all ears. Our website, as you said, is pureblazor.com. And yeah, there it is. Beautiful blue.
And if you put in your email here, we'll let you know when the alpha's ready. We'll give you a couple updates maybe, but we're not going to spam you. We're not going to sell your email. I am a big believer. I have no business knowing anything about you. Let us know if you're interested. We'd love to have you on board. Hopefully we have some more feedback.
Great chatting. Bye.